Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
On for another 10 days if I get the same kind of motivation and enthusiasm from all of you all, unless the fact is you're not bored. Are you bored? No. Right. So I can mold on more, right? So first of all, thanks a lot for being here. As I was telling you all also, and as we were planning before, we thought, any filmmaking workshop is never seen for such a big crowd. We generally end up doing it for a smaller crowd, whether it's 15, 20, maximum 30 people, so that it is hands-on learning kind of a thing. But this year we thought, it's just not about getting people to do hands-on, but it's also to, the idea is to get more and more people excited with it. So from the initial count of 30, we thought we'll just raise up the bar and go up to 45. And then we thought we'll do 30 here in Panjim and 30 somewhere in South Goa, so that everybody gets benefited. But due to shortage of time and a couple of other commitments that I had, that could not be possible. So then we thought, we'll do, instead of doing 30 here and 30 there, we'll do 60 over here and do it. And we opened out the registration through Google Form, and we thought we'll get more. And I was shocked to know that we got more than 90 registrations. And the idea, if you remember in the registration also, I had put a question: why do you want to come to this particular workshop, kind of thing. And I thought, okay, I'll select people so that we get only the people interested. Then suddenly we realized, why should I devour people just by, how can I be a judge of anybody's interest just by reading that line? I said, let it be, we'll call all the 90 people. And we sent emails, probably some of them went in the spam folder so that they could not know that there was a workshop here or something like that. But I'm so happy that 55 people turned up, and turned up from all colleges and from across Goa. And during this 3 days workshop, I hope I could do a bit of justification to the art on understanding of how filmmaking, a science filmmaking process works. Technically, a filmmaking course, for that matter, there are different facets to filmmaking, right? Scripting, acting, direction, cinematography, sound design, and so many other things to even pre-production, light, so many facets are there. And each course is actually a 5-year course if you go to any of the filmmaking institution. And the agenda for this workshop was not to turn you all into filmmakers, but to excite and ignite that interest, and to just give you all those terms and terminology so that you get more excited and interested, and then you all do your own research and do it. But coming to the main point of having this workshop done is to get you all, apart from all the theory and whatever you learned, to actually put that practical process to you all. And that's why we felt that this year we should also not just have a workshop, but also give it as a tease the students a bit more and have a competition. And so we decided to have a science filmmaking competition, and it's open to all the participants of this group. Now it is up to you all whether you do, each one does one film, or you all get together. Now that you saw the previous film, now you know whom to contact for acting, right? So I hope you would also be able to direct, and Shrikant, so I hope you would help them when it comes to acting side of it and things like that. So now you can contact him for it. And we have lovely theatre arts students, biotechnology students, environment science students, and all of them. So the idea is that you all make a short 5 minutes film on a science topic, maximum 5 minutes, minimum can be even 2 minutes to 5 minutes. But do a film and submit it to us in the following days. You will get an email with all the details of the filmmaking competition. And we do have prizes. Apart from the trophy and the wonderful certificate, we do have prize money. The first prize will have 15,000 rupees given to them. The second prize is 10,000, third prize is 8,000, and we have 2 consolation prizes also. So a total of 5 prizes. And the other best part is that the winning film, we will have it screened at the closing ceremony on INOX screen. not even this screen at the INOX. So I hope that is enough to excite you all to see your film. It gives a different pleasure. Trust me, I've been doing so many films before, but thanks to this science filmmaking workshop and science film festival, I got to see my climate change film on a silver screen, on a cinemascopic film at INOX. And it gives a different feel when you watch it. So I hope I could tease you all with it, and I look forward to receiving your films. And you have my numbers, and I have decided to mentor you all during that process also, so feel free to connect with me. We'll have a proper discussion, whatever is needed after this validatory function. I don't want to keep you all hold it. And so thank you once again for patiently listening to me, and I hope I could ignite that spark into you all to do science film, and most importantly, science documentation. It's important that you understand the difference. It's important that you start documenting your thing. Okay? And thank you once again, and best wishes to all of you all. Yeah.
There is a shortage of science films made in India. We have ample films coming from the Western world, but they represent the concepts and the culture of that world. Well, for India, we need to have our own films which will depict the scientific concepts, and the culture of science is to be inculcated in our population. Now, we from Vigyan Parishad Goa have the Science Film Festival going on for last 7 years, and this is the time when we also have a science filmmaking workshop along with a competition for the films based on a science theme. Normally these are short films. Now the workshop has been conducted on 12th, 13th and 14th. Today it is getting concluded. There have been 55 participants from various institutions of Goa, and there are also enthusiasts, scientists who have participated in this workshop. And the participants will come out with some short film for the competition. Now, regarding the main festival, the festival is starting on 26th and will go on up to 28th. Eminent scientists over the country are coming to participate in it, and we will also give the awards of the best films during that festival.